June 25th, 2014. Usually we don't get baby blue-tongued skinks till later on in June, late June, even July, but this year, for whatever reason, it's early. So if you guys look over there, you'll see all across the yard, that's all our tegus, but now this row is all our blue tongues, and quite coincidentally, this morning while I was checking, I noticed some babies were running around in here.
Hold on,
Give me
let me
that
get
container.
it.
So you guys look at here, this is pretty cool. We let the grass overgrow, especially during this time of the year.
Oh, that's so adorable. I love them. He's mad at you. Daddy.
Look at that cute little baby.
Hi, baby.
Looks just like its mom.
She's growing. She's growing. She's a girl. Dad.
They're born very big. These are Taliqua skinkoides.
Daddy.
Yes, my love.
She's growing.
She's growing.
It's a she or a he?
Look at them all. One here. I think that's the mom. I could tell by her skinniness. There's a couple there. Moving around a little bit. There's 4 babies there.
Look.
You see any more?
Look
Look
behind.
under, here's the water bowl. Sometimes they
look
hide under the
behind
water
you.
bowl. Nope, none there. What?
Daddy, look over there.
You see one? Is that the mom? Oh, there's another one. Here.
That's
Oh, there's another. And another.
You're holding it out.
And another.
Hey, get out. Dad, it got out.
Oh no. I should have used a bigger container. I didn't know there was so many. Look at this one trying to bite already. You want to bite me, meanie?
He's not gonna bite you.
So it's hard to find all of them because we keep the cages overgrown, they bury themselves, blah, blah, blah.
Blah, blah, blah.
So we might be finding them for a while, but I think you guys got the idea. So what do you guys see? Right now we got 3, 6, 8.
It's so cute.
8 baby blue-tongued skinks ready to be shipped, ready to go to their new home. If you've been waiting for us to get captive born Taliqua skinkoides, Papua New Guinea baby blue-tongue beauties, captive born from captive parents. We got them. Only at Underground Reptiles.